Welcome to another tutorial, guys. This time I'm going to teach you a concept that will allow you to do many things with this move, and it's only limited to your imagination, okay? And the concept is this. So let's just take any card, the 9 of spades, and let's lose it in the deck, okay? And now by doing that, we have this card selected protruding from the deck, okay? This is our 9 of spades. So what it does, it allows you to then control it however you want, okay? And we have done this by just a minimum moves, okay? Just this, okay? So one more time, like that. So now let's get into the details how to do this, okay? So you take any card and you insert it in the middle, and it sticks about maybe a centimeter, okay? It's about a centimeter. And now all we have to do is with the rapid move to kick this card, okay? And it's important to not to hold the deck like super tight, like it should be like a loose grip, okay? And you hold the deck with your thumb and with your middle finger, okay? So these fingers, they just rest on this edge, but they don't apply pressure, okay? So you hold the deck with your thumb and middle finger. These fingers are just resting on this edge, okay? Now you with rapid move, you just kick this card and it protrudes from another edge, okay? This is our ace of clubs. And now you can do anything. You can like push it a little bit down and create a break, and then you can control it, okay? Also you can do another thing you can do is to with your index finger like cut at this point, okay? And it looks like you just cut to the selected card, okay? Or if you have a table or anything you can put your cards on, you can put it on the table, okay, with protruding card like that, and just do the same move, okay? So one more time, take the card, insert it about in the middle. Don't hold. The most important thing is that you need to find the right balance of pressure. Like if you hold it super tight, you won't be able to do this correct. Okay, like so I'm just holding it super tight, okay? So the card like just doesn't work, okay? Well, let me try one more time. So like tight grip, like that's a wrong card, okay? A few of them. You need to hold it like really loose, and with your, as I said, with your thumb and with your middle finger, okay? Like that. And don't kick like super hard like that. It's not enough protruding to work then, okay? Like about centimeter of protruding the card and about centimeter or two of the distance between your finger and the card before you kick, okay? Like that, okay? And that's a good, you can work with it. So 9 of spades, kick, oops, didn't work. So the 4 of diamonds, here we go, here is our 4 of diamonds, okay? So here is it. Practice this move and you can come up with your own ideas of how to use it. Again, many possibilities you can control. You can like cut the deck with your finger like many possibilities. You can then just glimpse and like do some mind reading stuff. Like it's all up to you. I hope you like it, and until next time.